We got some bombshell news on Friday. That was Nvidia disclosed that they sold their entire stake in SoundHound.AI. And on the news, the stock dropped 30% or $4.30. And for the week, you can see prices ended at the lows based on this extended red candle. Now, before we continue with the technicals, and stay tuned to the end, I'm going to give you a couple of levels to look at if you see this as a buying opportunity. Now, the plunge was apparently driven by the news disclosed Friday morning in a SEC filing that Nvidia had sold its stake in the company in the fourth quarter of 2024. With the AI hardware leader pulling its backing, some investors are worried about the conversational AI specialist's outlook. Now, while Nvidia's decision to sell its stake in the company isn't a positive signal, the move should still be put in context. You see, Nvidia just owned only 1.71 million shares. As of the market close on December 31st, the stock position would have been worth a measly $34 million. Meanwhile, Nvidia currently has a market cap of approximately $3.36 trillion. In other words, Nvidia's stake in SoundHound was always relatively tiny and never big enough to even come close to moving the needle for the graphics processing unit leader. The divestment won't have any immediate material impact on SoundHound.AI's business, and it's possible that the market is overreacting to the news. Now, Nvidia's decision to drop its stake in SoundHound could also signal the company's plan to devote more resources to expanding in the conversational AI space, and that it no longer sees a smaller company as a clear technological forefront in the category. Now, Nvidia made some news during the CES in Las Vegas a couple of weeks ago in their announcement of taking a stake in what I'll say is a competitor. Now, for risk-tolerant investors who see promise in SoundHound long-term potential, Friday's sell-off could offer a buying opportunity as the business's material outlook hasn't changed in any substantial way. On the other hand, more risk-averse investors who still want exposure to AI trends should probably seek out other plays in the space. All right. So as promised, I'm going to give you some levels to look at if you want to get long. And the first one's going to be this weekly buy level at $8. That was based on this rallying price, one basing candle, and then the rally out, taking out what was previous highs established back in March of 2024. Now, if you go down to the daily chart, within this weekly buy level, you have nested a daily level at that near that $9 level, and I'm going to show you the zone right now. You did have a rallying price, a couple of basing candles, and then you had the strong move out, gap higher, gap higher, gap higher. All right, so let's see how price action develops this coming week. But the chart is suggesting one can go long at the weekly buy level at $8. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.